Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to recover your Telegram account, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. Start by opening up the Telegram app on your device and head over to the login page, which should be available like this. So once you open up your Telegram app, you can enter the phone number associated with your account that you're trying to recover. So in the first option, you can select up your country, tap on it, and you can select up your country code from which you belong. Just go ahead and enter it up and enter up your country phone number here. Once you enter it up, you just need to go ahead and tap on this arrow right next to it, and you should be receiving a verification code via SMS or a notification on another active device. Just go ahead and do so. Once it is done, here enter up your email. So here, if you have an associated email address, you can enter it up, and if you have a password, you can just go over and, if prompted, enter up the password as well. And for two-step verification, you can just go over and enter your password and do so and log into your account. Now, once you are logged in, what you need to do is you need to end all of the other sessions, go to settings for that, and under settings, go to privacy and security and tap on it. After you tap on it, here you will be finding option for devices selected up. And once you select it up, you can just go over and select the option for terminating all of the other sessions to log out of any unknown devices that you think may have hacked your account or something like that. And you should be able to recover your Telegram account just within yourself. You can even contact your mobile carrier for a SIM swap to get a new SIM with the same number, then proceed with the standard login that you usually do. If not this, you can also try creating up your own account. You can just go over and create up your own account and create a new account, and uh, that is only the option to create a new account with the same phone number. Be aware that once you do so, you will be permanently losing all of the chat history, media, and all the administrator rights when you create a new account. So do so. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this method for that. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.